Can we access all of our accounts on online banking?
Yes, actually you can access all of your accounts on online banking. However, there are some exceptions. Your login is specific to you, not your account. For instance, let's say you have joint accounts with your children.
I do.
Okay, I do too. When you log in, you might have access to your personal checking account, savings account, mortgage, etc. But when your child uses their login, they are only going to see accounts that their name is on and not any of the other accounts. The amount of rights to each account in your online banking is the same you would have if you visited the branch. Keep in mind that your online banking shows your accounts and some loans. Your retirement, trust, and credit card accounts are housed in separate applications and do require a separate login ID and password.
So all of our regular banking basically can be accessed except for those
Right.
few exceptions.
Right. Any account that you are on, you will see on your internet banking.